Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something a lot of you have been curious about. Is starting an Airbnb in India really profitable? More especially, we are going to look at the financial breakdown, funding strategies, and some powerful startup concepts like MVP and MLP, all through the lens of launching an Airbnb in a hotspot like Jaipur. By the end of this video, you will have solid understanding of what it really costs to start an Airbnb, how much you can earn from it, how long does it takes to break even, and how to fund your journey smartly and sustainably. So let's get started. The financial reality of starting an Airbnb in India. Starting an Airbnb isn't just about listing a property online. It is full-fledged business. And like any business, it start with an investment. Let's break down the cost. Security deposit 50,000 rupees. Furniture and interior setup 4 lakhs. Application and kitchen setup 2.5 lakhs. Electronics like TV, Wi-Fi setup, etc. of 1 lakh. Decoration, bedding, utility setup of 1 lakh. Miscellaneous and contingencies of 1 lakh rupees. Professional photography and listing is of 30,000. Total initial investing is roughly around 13 lakhs. That's the amount you will need to get your space ready for guests, clean, cozy, and competitive. Now let's discuss about monthly operational expenses. Every month you will need to manage rent of 25,000, electricity, water and Wi-Fi of 5,000 rupees, cleaning and laundry service of 6,000, and basic maintenance and supplies of 3,000. Property management fees is around 3,800 and total monthly expenses are around 42,800. So you will need to earn at least that much just to break even on monthly operations. Now let's discuss about revenue and profit potential. Assume you charge 3,000 per night. You manage to get 20 bookings per month. That's a monthly revenue of 60,000. Now subtract 42,800 in expenses and you are left with a profit of 15,200. Not bad, right? That's around 1.8 lakhs annual profit, which means you could recover your entire investment in 8 to 9 months, provided occupancy remains consistent and competitive pricing is maintained. Factors that influence of factors that influence profitability. Of course, these are average figures. Your actual number can vary based on location. Jaipur's prime tourist spots can charge premium rates. Seasonality. Tourist traffic spikes during festival and winters. Guest reviews. Positive feedback increases booking. Unique touches. Think Instagram birthday interiors or local experiences. Remember, Airbnb is much about guest experience as it is about real estate. Funding your Airbnb business. If 13 lakh sounds like a lot, don't worry, you are not alone. Many successful Airbnb hosts started with external funding. Let's explore your options. Personal savings. Number one is personal savings. Simple, low risk, but drains your emergency fund. Number two is bank loans. Structured EMIs but come with interest and paperwork. Number three, home equity loans, useful if you own property with low risk. Number four is credit cards, quick cash but very high interest. Uh, or you can take business loans designed for commercial ventures, useful with good business plans. Or number six is partnership, split costs and profits, great for those with limited capital. And number seven is rental arbitrage. Rent a place, furnish it, and sublet on Airbnb with owner's permission. Or you can use you can get help from private investors. Pitch your idea and offer returns or revenue shares. Crowdfunding is also an option to build a community and raise money online. Government grants. Some startup schemes support tourism based ventures. Every option has trade offs. Choose based on your financial comfort and long term. Now, let's discuss about the MVP versus MLP, the startup mindset for Airbnb hosts. Let's switch gears for a moment. Running an Airbnb isn't just a hospitality business, it's a startup, so it helps to understand two critical startup concepts: MVP, minimum viable product, and MVP is the bare minimum version of your service needed to test the market. And for example, you set up one bedroom with basic amenities, launch your listing, and start getting reviews. It's affordable, quick to set up, and gives real market feedback. And MLP is minimum lovable product. The MLP is when you go beyond just enough and make your space delightful. It's the cozy lightning, the handwritten welcome note, the curated Jaipur guidebook on the side table. It's what makes guests fall in love with your place and come back or tell others. Grow into an Start with an MVP and grow into an MLP. User experience is equal to repeat business. Here's the golden rule: user experience is your most powerful growth engine. In a market filled with options, guests don't just choose based on price, they choose based on comfort, cleanliness, hospitality, design, and uniqueness. Creating an emotional connection with guests leads to better reviews of the hotel, higher prices, repeat bookings, word of mouth marketing. That's the magic of an MLP. Let's discuss about the power of partnership. Want to grow faster? Consider forming partnerships. Maybe you bring the vision and energy, someone else bring the money or property or experience. Together you reduce risk, share workload, and scale up smarter. Keep learning and stay prepared. Finally, always stay ready, keep your listing updated, track your expenses, analyze booking trends, and most importantly, keep improving. Even a small improvement in guest satisfaction can lead to big gains in income. Final thoughts: is Airbnb in India worth it? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. So, is it worth it? If you are willing to treat it as a business, yes. If you plan your finance, understand your audience, and create memorable experience, absolutely. Airbnb in cities like Jaipur has tremendous potential. It is a blend of hospitality, design, and entrepreneurship. Whether you are starting with your own flat or exploring rental arbitrage, your success will depend on preparation, creativity, and consistency. Thanks for watching the video. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is thinking about starting their own Airbnb. Got questions or need help planning your launch? Drop a comment below. We would love to help you out. Until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep hosting with the heart. Thank you, guys.